Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to cancel Artlist subscription. So make sure you're on your Artlist account, and what you'll need to do is to go over to the top right corner where you can click on your avatar or your profile name. Click on it and then select My Account. Now here on your account page, you'll need to select the Plans and Billings tab. Now once you're here, you'll need to scroll down to where you can see the payment section. Then once you're on the payment section, you're going to look at your current subscription status, and in the first part, you're going to click on the three dots right there. Once you click on it, you will be selecting the subscription info. And then once your subscription information pops up, you see the cancel renewal option at the bottom right corner of this new page. Click on it to proceed with your cancellation. If there are any other prompts such as why you're canceling or confirming your cancellation, follow through with the process and you'll be able to successfully cancel your Artlist subscription. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.